First, please copy. This have to be your name, and it's the result. The result. And today the result is 172. Yeah, and we copy the figure, insert the screen here. That the teaching assistant will know what you mean. Okay, this is the first figure, and second part. Okay, we build the data set, then we build the tree. Build the tree. Okay, now go. The package of the tree is from sklearn dot tree import decision tree classifier. Decision tree classifier. This is import the part tree algorithm. 好，我们把它缩写。I give the short name called classification, CLF, for the decision tree classifier. Okay. Then first criterion. Criterion we will discuss later next week. That's 2 weeks. The criterion we use the Gini 这个参数啊，我们用 Gini。那还有另外一个是 entropy, but we will discuss after the exam and the spring holiday. So we just talk later. And the second, I will give another parameter 叫做 minimum sample list equal to, because every tree cannot be complete perfect, just like our case. There is no node that have different instances, right? So actually we have to determine when will have to be stopped. The minimum sample of leaves means when a node only have 2 samples, it means have to stop. 就是一个节点里面剩2笔资料，我们就要结束了。Minimum sample leaves means when the leaf only have 2 instances, whether they are the same or not, we have to stop. This will appear in the next week. 这个会出现在下个礼拜。So I will give you a note. Means whether the node, the leaf, are all the same class or not. When a node is lower than 2 instance 就知道笔数哈 ，stop, then stop growing the tree. 这个会考哈 ，it will be appear, so I will let you know. And next, minimum sample split 0.2. This means another thing also will appear in your next week. 什么意思呢 ？Means whether 不管一样，前面这句是一样的哦。不管有没有分完，是不是同一个类别 ？When a node, the percentage of difference is lower than， 就是少数低于0.2 ，then stop growing. Different class. 这就是少数低于0.2就停，或者是一个节点只剩2页子就停。 These 2 points very important. It will appear in your next week as a easy question, easy question, essay 就是简答题 ，short answer。好 ，so 我们要算出正确答案喽。Then we have to be fit. We make this to fit our data set, X train and Y train. Use the model to fit training data. And then we will print the accuracy classification. You should fit first. 你必须要 fit first， 你才可以有 score。score 就是正确率。X train, Y train. Need to fit first. Then use the score to print to get the accuracy. 用 score 这个方式会得到正确率。Then we will see what is accuracy. Remember, in the tree, we also need the random state. The tree also need the random state. One more time. This is split need the random state. The tree also need the random state. Okay? The tree also need the random state. Go. The accuracy is about 79. Is that your answer correct? 就是你的答案应该是这样，不知道你对吗？好，这个是 training 的答案。那测试的答案呢 ？Testing about the testing。那很简单，你就把这改成 test。Change just like test and y test。不需要再 fit 咯，因为模型 fit 已经 fit 一次，剩下只是套这个模型。We do not have to fit again, so I will write it. When get the testing accuracy, do not fit again because it will change the model. Just fit the training and use the score to get the accuracy. 好，所以这个 accuracy for test set is 78. And maybe you also want to get print. How many leaves of the tree equal that get n leaves. How many leaves? It's print the leaves. This is 8, right? 8. And finally, what is the depth? The tree depth. Because this is about the complexity of the tree. So we also want to know the answer. Get the depth. Okay, the depth is 5. means 5 there without note. Okay? And pass this part. Yeah, pass this part. Insert the result. But actually have to be your name. Cover your name and the result just like here. It had to be cover your name and the result is here. 要 cover 到你的名字才算哦。One more time. Yeah. So we will stop here. We have 3 minutes. Get to you. Stop here, and we have 3 minutes. So this is the assignment. 603 assignment 7. I will give to you assignment here. Assignment 7 here, right? Okay. So the date is next week. Also, March 30. Okay. March 30. 7. Publish. Okay.